In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the 30 pounds Versagel from TKB Trading. This is the first time that I'm getting the 30 pounds. Normally, I get like 10 of the 3.5 because if you do the math, the 3.5 actually is cheaper than the 30 pounds if you do the math. So, but this time, you don't like, they're taking forever to get your orders done and send them to you. So that's why I decided to order the big one. Also, I still have some 3.5s, but I just got the 30 pounds for the sake of getting it because a lot of people are getting it. I'm just like, what does it feel like to get the 30 pounds? So I decided to buy the 30 pounds Versagel from TKB Trading, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video or find it satisfying. I just wanted to show you guys the 30 pounds bale and what it feels to get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching. So this is the bucket. It's quite heavy, but yeah, it looks like it's going to be hard to open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then I'll come show you guys what it looks like. The end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Also, if you have any video idea, please leave it in the comment section and I'll see it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.